try out the toaster?
No.
You ready for the toaster?
No.
Here we go, look. What's gonna happen? Watch, get ready, here it comes. We do it again?
Yeah.
Do it again? Okay, so what we've got to do is firstly we've got to put it down, then we've got to turn this round, and then here it comes. Get ready. Get ready. Oh no, do you want to try doing it this time? Can you push that down? Good job. Okay, just got to push it a little bit harder. There, that's it now. No, that's it now. Okay, then we turn it on. Here it comes. Get ready. Get ready. Here it comes. Oh, you're going to eat the toast? Oh, one toast for Daddy, one toast for Marley. We cook toast again. Put more toast in. Can you push it down this time? Oh, you did it. You did it. Okay, here we go. Get ready. Get ready. Here it comes. You want to do it again? Push it down. We'll turn the toast on. Cooking toast is ready. Here it comes. Oh. Push it. Oh no, what happened? There we go. So Marley's pushed the toast down. Now we'll get ready. Here it comes. We're making toast. We're making toast. We do it again. One more time. You push it down. You push this down.